2018 Toyota Camry air filter and cabin filter replacement. For the air filter, we got these little metal clips right here. Go ahead and get that one and get this one. Now, these little things is a little plastic tab. You want to just gently push forward, and we could lift this straight up. You shouldn't struggle with this at all. As I'm struggling, there you go. Once you get it right, it should come off. Now, these may be broken. A lot of people break these. If it's broke, it's not going to be able to lift up and slide off easy on you. The release tab is broken, so it can't release. So this might be a little hard to get off. So what I do is I just take a little small flathead, and I'll push up the little lock myself, and then just pull it off. It's no problem. So once you get that off, there's these tabs in the back on the airbox. What you want to do is gently lift this up and pull it out so those tabs come out of their little holes. Then you can slide your air filter out just like this. And just slide it out. When you have two hands, it's a lot easier. Alright, so I got it out. And then here's my air filter from the dealer. Got this. Dealer ones are pink usually. So we'll just lift this up. Again, using two hands is a lot easier. And we'll slide this in, make sure it should drop in place. It's just like a square all the way around. There's nothing special about the position or nothing. It should just drop in place. Then you want to get your tabs in the back here. Then get these in. Slide those in like that. And once those are in, you might have to kind of wiggle it in place. Careful not to knock this line off. This may get old and fragile over time, like 10 years from now, so just watch out. Those might crack on you. Get these back on. These should just pop in place. Again, these shouldn't give you any trouble when you're sliding these on. Like that. We'll go ahead and get these little metal locks in place. Might have to push down on the airbox a tad bit to get those on, like that, and like that. And that's it for the air filter. Alright guys, so on the cabin filter, on this 2018 Camry, you want to pop this, get anything out that's in here. You got a little door right here. There's a tab. Push this and pull this out gently. Pull this out because there's tabs right there. And then here's your cabin filter door. So what you want to do is, there's tabs right here on the side. Also take note on the front door, it says up. Shoot. I'm having trouble focusing in on it. There we go. It says up, so when you put your filter in, make sure the arrow on the filter says up, as well as the tray. I'll show you what the tray is in a sec. So if you come right here in the middle, there's these two tabs. Maybe you could just get away with pulling one up. But you squeeze these tabs kind of together and pop this out. Like that, sorry. But here's a close-up. Basically, theoretically, you want to squeeze these and pull it out. This side, you just pull, you wiggle and pull out. And for some reason, these 2018s are really tight. So we'll get that out the way. Here's our tray. Pull this tray out. And as you notice, it says up on there as well. Boom. So this is our tray. We're going to pull this cabin filter out of the tray and put our new one in. So I'm going to go and pull that out. Like that. Here's my cabin filter from the dealer. It's my part number right there. Now it's hard to read, but right here in the corner it says up with the arrow up. So I'm gonna put that just like how it says here, or the front. How the front says up. I'm gonna match that up. Alright guys, I have it just like that. And these front tabs will go on top of the fins. Like that. If the fin gets a little ruffled like that, it's alright. These are really fragile filters. It's still gonna work. So we'll slide this in here like this. Boom, like that. Get that side part in. This part should just click in. Boom. Sorry for the camera shaking a lot. So once that part is in, we're gonna get this guy and get this side in first right here. Oh, done. And that is it, guys. That's how you do with your air filter and cabin filter on a 2018 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching. Please follow me on YouTube, and I'll see you next video.